Are you bored of plain old fringe in your macrame projects? If so, I have a knot that you can use to end your projects with. It's Nicole here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. This is the channel where you will find everything macrame related, from DIY pattern tutorials to tips and tricks tutorials. So lately we've been releasing tutorials as part of our knots and knot pattern series, and in this tutorial we will be going over a special ending knot called the barrel knot. These are barrel-like looking knots that hang down from fringe and macrame projects. So oftentimes you will see these in macrame wall hangings and plant hangers, but also any other project that has fringe. These little barrel knots add a bit more texture to your fringe to make it stand out. If you guys are interested in learning more ending knots or more knots in general, we do have a 50 knots and sennets ebook free for download over on BOCHIKNOT.com. So whether you're learning macrame or you're trying to learn other knots to incorporate into your macrame designs, then this is a helpful resource for that. And with that said, let's get right into it. To demonstrate this knot, I've attached 2 strands of cord at 200 centimeters long onto the dowel with lark's head knots. To begin the barrel knot, take 1 strand of cord and make a loop. Then take the bottom cord end and start wrapping it inside the loop several times. Make sure that the loops that we're making here don't overlap and that they are just nice and snug right beside each other. You can wrap it around as many times as you want, depends on how big of a barrel knot you want to make. So I've made 5 wraparounds, and now I'm going to pull on the knot downwards to tighten it. So something to keep in mind is if you want your barrel knot to end up at a specific spot, you do have to start a little bit higher, since we will be pulling on the knot downwards to tighten. And we have now made 1 barrel knot. And that's a wrap with our barrel knot tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below where you guys plan on incorporating this knot into your guys' macrame projects, and let me know if there are any other knots that you want to see tutorials of. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button to stay tuned to our latest macrame tutorials. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.